Hi, welcome back to the channel. My name is Angie and welcome to Yarn Over with Angie. So today I would like to show you how to make this washcloth. Cool, right? Looks a little bit complicated, doesn't it? Don't worry, we're gonna go through it step by step. And it is a little bit harder than some of the other washcloths, but you can do it with some practice. This stitch is called the single rib stitch. The single rib stitch, and it uses front and back posts. Like I said before, don't worry, we're gonna go through it in a minute. The reason why I like this washcloth is because it has so much texture, and I think it kind of has a lot of personality, right? Okay, well, let's just go on and get right to it, okay? I'll see you in a minute. So why just make washcloths when you can make some textured washcloths, right? Look at all the lovely texture that you have in this one. This one is called a single rib stitch. Very simple to do. It looks complicated, but it's not. This is really soft and squishy and dense. I wish you can feel how wonderful this one is. Look at the beautiful stitches that we have here. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to get started. Foundation row is always the most difficult and it's always different than the rest of the stitches. So let's go ahead and get started with this, okay? Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So I've gone ahead and I've made a crochet chain in multiples of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on, depending on how wide or how long you want your washcloth. So I think I have 10 chain stitches here. So let's go ahead and get started with this one, okay? So our first row says skip the chain 3. Here's 1, here's 2, and here's 3. Okay, so we're going to skip all of that. And we are going to do 1 double crochet into the next one, which is the 4th one, right here, right there. We're going to do a double crochet in there, in the 4th chain from the hook. Here is my double crochet. Here we go, right there, double crochet. So we have 1 double crochet, and guess what? We're just going to go ahead and do double crochets into each of these chain spaces, okay? All right, so here we are at the end, and we're going to double crochet into the last one. So our first row is just double crochets all the way down, multiples of 2 in our chain, and double crochets all the way down. This is where it gets interesting. Okay, so our second row, we're going to chain 2. 1, 2, turn it around, okay? Okay, so we chain 2. Right, and we're going to make double crochets, but we are going to make them in a very specific way. Okay, so double crochet, yarn over, and insert the hook knot here. See this double crochet from the previous row right here, this one from the previous row? Here's what we're going to do. We're going to take our hook and we're going to insert it from right to left. You see that? We're kind of picking it up there, you see? And we're gonna yarn over and pull it through. And we have 3 loops, and we're gonna complete our double crochet. So that's called a front post double crochet. Okay, that's okay. We're gonna do it again. So now we're going to do our next double crochet. Yarn over, and see that next post? You see that next post that's there? Yeah, you see it, right? Well, here's what I want you to do. I want you to take your hook and insert from the right to the left again, but this time the post is going to be in the back. See that? And yarn over and pull through. 3 loops. Okay. Confused? That's okay. We're going to do it a few more times. This one was the front post and this one was the back post. So these stitches right here, we're going to call them posts. Yeah, and we're going to alternate between front and back. So I'm going to show you how to do it a few more times, okay? All right, so here's how we do it. Double crochet, yarn over. We're going to do a front post, right? Yarn over, look for that post, insert your hook from right to left, pick it up. You see that? That's the post, you see? Okay, yarn over and pull it through. So we have 3 loops on our hook, and then complete your double crochet stitch. Okay, that was the front post. So next one is the back post, okay? Yarn over, let's turn it a little bit this way, you see it? Insert our hook from right to left through, sorry, let me move my fingers this way. See it? Yarn over, pull it through. We have 3 loops, yarn over, pull it through 2, and complete your double crochet stitch. Now I know that this looks complicated, and I think it might be a little bit harder than some of the other stitches that I've showed you, but you can do this with some practice. And you know what? If you can't do it right away, that's okay. Like I said, just keep practicing. So let's try one more time. Let's try another front one. Yarn over, find that front post, okay, and complete your double crochet stitch like so. So we did a front, now we're going to do a back. Yarn over, turn it just a little bit, insert your hook, insert your hook this way, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through 2, yarn over, pull it through 2. Okay, and then when we get here, we have that chain 3 that we turned. We're just going to make a double crochet. So let's just go ahead and look for that V and make a double crochet into that stitch right here. Always so fiddly with those last stitches, okay? Okay, I know it looks complicated, but I'm confident that you can do this. I'm going to go ahead and switch over to the larger one. Remember, when you want to stop crocheting, just pull this loop out. It will prevent it from unraveling. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at it on the larger piece, because it'll probably make more sense. Do you see? These are all the front posts. And then the dips that you see here, these are all the back posts that we did. Front posts, back posts, and when you flip it around, it's going to be the same. Okay, so let's go ahead and make one more row on here. Okay, so the pattern calls for us to, okay, the pattern calls for us to chain 2, 1, 2, skip the first stitch. I'm going to turn it around. We're going to skip this one right here. This is the stitch that we're skipping, the edge stitch right here, and we're going to begin right here. Okay, yarn over, insert it from right to left, lift up that post right here, and complete your double crochet. Okay, yarn over, let's look for that back post. You see it right here. Insert the hook from right to left and complete your double crochet. So the more of these you do, the longer you make it, the easier it will be for you to find the front and back post. I'm going to do 2 more, okay? Front post, yarn over, lift up the post, yarn over, pull it through, complete your double crochet, yarn over, insert from the back, from right to left through the back, and complete your double crochet. Let's do one more pair. Yarn over, insert the hook from right to left of the post, and complete your double crochet. Okay, we're going to do a back post, yarn over, insert the hook from right to left through the back, and complete your double crochet. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and complete the row so that you can see. Okay, so we're coming to the end of the row. Let's try that one more time, okay? Let's try that one more time. We're going to make a double crochet, yarn over, find that front post, insert the hook from right to left, yarn over, complete your double crochet stitch, yarn over, look for the back post, insert from right to left, complete your double crochet stitch. Those are front and back post double crochet stitches. Okay, and then we're going to do it to this last one. And we have one more back post here. Sorry, it came out. Let's complete this back post one here. And then when we get to the end of the row, we're just going to make a double crochet. So just look for the top of the chain here. Remember, we did a chain 3 when we turned, and make a double crochet stitch. And there you have it. You have your single rib crochet stitch. Well, what did you think? Was it easy? Was it hard? Or was it just right? Go ahead and let me know in the comments. And what about the green? You like this color? It's kind of cheerful, yeah? Not my favorite color, but on a washcloth, does it really matter? And again, this has so much texture and personality. I really enjoyed making this. If you like this, you can go ahead and push the like button, yeah? So that I know that you like this stitch, and I'll continue to show you some great stitches for washcloths and other things. And go ahead and hit the notification button. That way you will know when I upload new videos, which I do on a weekly basis. I also have links in the description and in the comments on how to make the basics foundation stitches, like a slip knot, a chain stitch, and so on. So you can go ahead and click on those if you need a refresher, and you can take your time and relearn and practice those things. So thanks once again for stopping by, and I will see you next time, okay? Bye-bye.